Operation Suzuki Swift. You can feel the anticipation in the pit of your stomach because you're about to push your Suzuki Swift to its limits. Don't forget your leather gloves. Start the car right up. Your pulse quickens as the accelerating four-cylinder engine comes to life. Ref. Now, stand on it. Shift. Take the corner at full speed. Shift again. Shift. Shift again. Shift. Take the corner at high speed. Take the corner at full speed again. Excellent handling. Take the corner at full speed. Shift. Heart-haunting acceleration. Rev the engine to its limits. Shift once more. Full speed flyby. Rev the engine. Operation Suzuki Swift. Retro Roberino.